So I went to check my rose bush here, and look, I found little birdies. Mama's out probably getting some food for them. These little guys, they look like they're hungry. I'm not gonna bother them. Look at that rose bush. What a great spot for a home for a little birdie's nest. You know, this thing's got such sharp thorns drape on your skin, and yeah, they really hurt. Look how beautiful the roses are today. Gorgeous. Alright, I just thought I'd tell you that. This is a day at tropical Missouri. Pretty cool. Check us out at plottpalmtrees.com. Just gorgeous. I think the mama's over here. You can hear her chirping. Somewhere. Oh, this must be the mama right here. Alright, I'm not gonna bother your nest or your home. See you later.